Alright, I'm back with another unboxing. Yes, the girl got 2 bags. I told y'all the girl got some extra coins, so when you got it, you might as well get it while you got it, okay? So here's another one. Sorry, y'all, I started. As you can see, I like ripped it open. I was like, oh, I'm supposed to be doing an unboxing. I forgot. Terrible, right? Alright, so another one. That same plastic that the previous one came in. And on here it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and I believe that's just the item number on the site. Okay, let me see something. Yeah, okay, as you can see, the bags are different colors. This one is lighter and this is faded off. Let me find out, Tony. I guess people just really mostly care about the bag, not the dust bag, but you know, you just hear so many good things about somebody when you see like flaws and stuff, you'd be shocked, like, okay. Anyway, see that color? See, it's lighter, more redder, like burgundy. This is like a wine, This is like more so in the burgundy family. Still dark, but I'm liking this one better. This one is very thin. Look, you can even see the bag through it. And here's my baby. Alright, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It's huge. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, like, if she don't show us the bag, yo, I am in love. And look, I didn't even take it out yet, so I'm in love. No, what if it's a bunch of stuff messed up? So, no. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I wanted a multicolored bag for so long. Oh my gosh. This is the multicolor Noe bag. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Now see, I'm really speculating. Got the plastic on the bottom? Okay. I'm really speculating when it comes to this bag because it's multicolor, honey. Y'all know it's supposed to be. Y'all know multicolor is supposed to be 32 different colors. Okay. So I'm making sure ain't no same colors next to each other and all that. Now I see that there's a pattern of, let me see. Yeah, I can't really. Trying to see if they the same, but they do look a little lighter. Because that's the thing about these multicolor bags. They look similar, but they're not supposed to be. Like, I hope this not the same color next to each other. That's not how it's supposed to be. Like, it could be lighter. Like, see, this is a little lighter than this. But, like, the pink shouldn't be the same next to the pink. The purple next to the purple shouldn't be the same exact purple. It shouldn't be like that. But anyway, this bag is gorgeous. I love it. Wow. I mean, wow. I don't know if this stitching supposed to be yellow, I guess. It is beautiful, y'all. Wow. And it's like a suede interior. So nice. Yeah. I appreciate you. I appreciate this bag. I really do. Really. Really, computer? That's what you're not going to do. You're not going to mess with my lighting, okay? I'm trying to give my subscribers better quality, people, okay? You're not going to hate on me like that. Look at this hardware. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look, I got to show y'all this whole bag. I don't even care. Ugh. And I can't really say too much about this because I don't know, like... I mean, I did look up the real one and stuff, but... I mostly looked it up for, like, size reference. This is so huge, y'all. So the next one, I'll probably just show y'all what could fit. Oh, it come with a little badge. I mean, badge. Luggage tag. This is nice. Wait, it come with... What's this? What's this, y'all? What's this strap for? For the luggage tag? No. I think it should be. I don't know what the strap for, y'all. Oh, it's beautiful. Just admire it. Just admire it. Oh, first of all, y'all. Hello. It's the cord to go in. And the holes to close the bag, girl. Get it together. That's why I'm bending over like a crazy bitch. My back is hurting, honey. Because I'm an old lady for real. I'm an old lady for real. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all don't understand. Like, I was on that joint on a multicolor, like, oh, well, I like this one, but this one I don't like that much. And this one costs too much. Y'all, look at this beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at this.